So this is the first thing I'm going to be using, super clean. Alright guys, so now I'm spraying the rust dissolver. Says to leave it there for like 30 minutes. Now this is the passenger side. Alright guys, time for the rust reformer. Spray that on, see what it looks like. Let it dry, and I'll give you guys another shot of the video. What's up guys, so today I'm going to be removing the front shocks because they look terrible. So I'm going to be using a 3/4 socket for the bottom. It's wrench, 3/4 wrench for the side right there, and the top nut is 11/16. So I'm going to take those off and put brand new shocks. So I have to grind that off because it's so rusted out, and as you can see right here, there's no threads either. All this is going to be all new. So I'm going to take that off, grind that off. And there she goes. Gone now. So what happened, guys, I ended up grinding both sides because those bolts were not coming out. They're all seized up, rusted. So nice and grind it off. And next I'm going to be replacing the brake lines, these brake lines right here. Alright guys, so next I'm gonna be removing these brake lines, but I gotta get to the other side of the frame. Well, I don't know you guys are gonna be able to see, but I'm in the passenger side, and it's located right here, and you gotta use 15-16 wrench to get to the back one. And to take the brake line off, you need a 3/8. You need to get one of these. This will work. So hopefully I can get that out. Well guys, that did not work for me. I cannot get that brake line off. So when I was turning it from the back over here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the whole brake line was twisting, so it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to grind that off and put a brand new brake line all the way out. I'm gonna have to do it on both sides. Well guys, I got it out. Not the way I wanted to, but the thing was stripped. There's no way, it was too rusted. Right there, it was just spinning around. No good. Nasty. I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna have to cut it off and just put all new brake lines. Alright guys, I gotta remove the heart line because they broke off. So the one for the passenger side, which is that one right there, goes all the way across this way, goes down that way, and it sits right there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it right here. So I gotta get through it to the back, And the one for the driver's side, it sits right here. I gotta remove, sorry about that guys, gotta remove this bolt to loosen up these lines in order to take the one from the driver's side, passenger side right off. So I can't do this while holding the camera, so I'm gonna just get to it and take it off. Alright guys, unfortunately I deleted some videos of the end result of the work I was doing, but I do have some pictures at the end of this video. So you guys let me know down below what you guys think. See you on the next one.